Hey there. Subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell icon.
Hello friends and welcome to a new video of Technical Chargy. In today's video we're going to see the latest browser which is launched by the Xiaomi Mint browser. So without wasting time, I'm your friend Manish and watching Technical Chargy. So let's get straight into the video. So in the world of the web browser, Xiaomi has came with a new browser, Xiaomi Mint browser, which you can download it right now on the Play Store. The link is in the description below. You can download it from there as well. And let's go to my mobile screen and let's see what are the changes in this web browser and what's new in this web browser. So to download the new browser from the Xiaomi, you need to go to Play Store. And once in the Play Store, you can search for the Mint browser. So once you search for the Mint browser, you'll be able to see many of the browser, but not from the Xiaomi. Even if you search with the Xiaomi Mint browser, you're not being able to see any browser from the Xiaomi. But what we need is to go. The link is in the description below. You can download directly from there. But if you don't want to visit through the link, you can download from here. You must need to go to Xiaomi. And over here, you need to go to Xiaomi Inc. Once into Xiaomi Inc., you need to go to for all apps. Once into all apps, you're able to see the Mint browser. So I've already downloaded it and installed it into my mobile devices. So let me just show you that how it is. Once you open up the Mint browser for the first time, it will ask for the permissions. Right now, I'm not giving in for any permissions because I don't want to share any of my personal data with the Xiaomi. The beauty of this browser is that you can install it on any device. So whether it is Samsung, whether it is OnePlus, whether it is Oppo, whether it is Vivo, any mobile brand which you are using, you can download this browser in your mobile devices. Already you're able to see the many kind of the icons already over here, or pre-installed apps you can say, or the pre-installed website bookmarks already there in this Mint browsers. It's very fast. Suppose if you want to use YouTube, you can use it. And if you want to use any of the other apps like Instagram, you can use it. It's very light and very fast. We have numerous options over here. You can even use to sign in through your Google ID, through your Facebook ID. Even you have bookmarks, manage downloads, tools. In tools, reduce data usage. You can do that, so it will reduce more of the data usage and it will not automatically download any image. And in the settings, you have prompt before existing browser, set as default browser, search engine, whether you want to use Google, whether you want to use Bing or any other, privacy, clear data, advanced, user privacy, and everything. Here you have again of the search bar where you can type any of the search thing which you want to search. Like if I want to search Technical Chargy only, so it will directly redirect me to the Google account, and from the google.com it will be show me the various kinds of the links and the stats about my Technical Chargy channel. So overall, of the first usage, the browser seems to be very much of the ad free and very much of the light. So the one interesting point is that if you want to use incognito mode, you need to go to press this tab option over here. Once you press the tab option over here, you have incognito mode. Once you press the incognito mode, it will ask your browsing and search history won't be saved. But remember that files you download and bookmarks you add will still be saved. So this is your incognito mode. Anything you over here, this is the incognito mode sign over as well. Anything you do over here will not be saved in your web browser history. So you need to press this if you want to exit the incognito mode. Once you exit the incognito mode, you again back to the name home screen, and let me just search. So this is the incognito mode. Anything you want to play, you can play over here. Device is free of ads, whether you use any kind of website or any kind of applications in this browser, but remember that the YouTube ads will still play in this web browser. So the web browser from the Xiaomi promising seems to be very good. is free of ads. The company which is famous for the ads, even in their mobile devices, even their settings of their mobile devices, has come with a browser which is free from the any sort of ads. So let's hope the Xiaomi keep it as lights and free from the ads. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to share with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to my channel because on daily basis I keep on making such videos.